Hello YouTube, thank you for visiting our channel. More Weld Professional Services serves the southeastern United States, bringing you the best in weld inspection, weld quality assurance services. And we also offer a line of superior welding equipment, SanRex. Today, we're going to unbox or take a look inside the box of the SanRex SanStick 160S. So one of the light industrial inverters. This has been a wonderful machine. It features power factor correction, gives you an awesome output for a limited input. So we can plug it into 220, we can plug it into 110. It's very versatile. On a 110 outlet, provided you have a 12 gauge extension cord and a 20 amp service, you can run a 100-foot extension cord, 110, and still be able to run your stick electrode and of course your TIG unit as well. The package itself comes only set up for stick. TIG accessories are available as a extra option. So come on in, let's take a look what's inside the box. The first thing you'll notice after you take it out of the cardboard box is it comes in a nice heavy duty plastic case. We open it up. Everything's conveniently packed. Plenty of padding in the case. Of course, it comes with your manual. Stick electrode holder with a 50 square millimeter dense connector and a heavy duty stick electrode holder, 200 amp stick electrode holder. Includes a steel ground clamp. Again, a 50 square millimeter dense connector. Your 110-220 power adapter so that you can plug the 220 machine into a 110 outlet. Actual power cord. And the welding machine with a convenient carry strap. So the first thing we'll look at is the front panel. We have your selector switch for stick electrode or TIG. So when we switch it to TIG, that enables the lift arc circuitry so that we can ignite the TIG arc without having to scratch or possibly create some tungsten inclusion. When we switch it to the stick electrode setting, that enables a small hot start that's pre-programmed and built into the machine to try to strike electrodes easier. We have our current dial, current knob. So, and you can see the outer numbers are from 10 to 160 amps on 230 volts. And then the inner knob, numbers are from 10 to 125 on 110 amp circuit. So we'll actually try this out. They tell me that it will run a 6010 electrode and keep it lit. And so we're going to try that out on our next video. But for this one, we just wanted to unbox the machine so that you could see what you were getting. So the SanRex SanStick 160S stick and TIG inverter features again the power factor correction, very efficient. 220 volt, 110 volt, comes with the adapter cord. Easy to use front panel and a 3-year warranty. So it's really something I'm excited to try welding. Look for us next time. If you like this video, please be sure to like and share, subscribe, and if you have any further questions, reach us on the web at www.morewps.com or give us a call at the number listed on the wall. You can also visit our eBay store at eBay. Bayjam21 is the seller. Thank you very much for watching the video.